My comrades, so I want to continue our lesson that we have been treating, but right now I want to talk about if statement and boolean variable. So writing a program using if statement and boolean variable. Now I want to write a program about a bright day. When the day is bright, it's going to display enjoy the shining day, be happy. And when the day is blue, it's going to display you can manage, don't be sad. Then when the day is not bright, not blue, so you're going to display don't worry, you'll be okay, have a nice day, thanks for checking in. So let's get started. Now we have then if bright underscore, always use your underscore when you're writing a compound word. So let's print you should be able to enjoy the shiny day. And we print don't be sad. Sorry. Be happy. Yes. Be happy. So we print be happy. Let's find out. Yeah, our program is running. So what about if the day is blue? We want to add another program. Now, how about the day if the day is not bright? If the day is blue, if you have a blue day, so what was going to we set it to true, then we change it to false. Yes. Then there's another reserved word inbuilt called elif. So I don't want it to give us to flag us an error. So that means if the day is blue, then we turn the program to print you can manage. You can manage. Yes, you can manage. Don't be sad. Then we print don't be sad. Let's find out if it's working fine. Oh, it flagged as an error. So see, it flagged as an error. So because yes, now I think our program can run now. Oh, okay. Okay, we have this. Let's find that. Good. You can manage, don't be sad. And how about if the day is not blurred and it's not bright? So there's a program called otherwise. We print this. Yes. So otherwise we print this, remove this. So what should we print now? Yes, so print. What are we going to print? Don't worry. Don't worry. You can manage. You can manage. Let me take this one here. Okay, don't worry. You'll be okay. So then print. Have a nice day. Then this program will write another program. This one will always be printed out because it's out of the loop. So out of the indent line, I meant to say. Then we said thanks for checking in. This program will always be printed out on the terminal. Let's find out. So let's assume that this is it. Oh, what's going on in line 12? Oh, so you can see this can flag you an error. You find out about the index. So let's find out now. Yeah, that's good. You can mind, don't be sad. Now let's set this to false and find out what will happen. Yes, our program is running fine. So you can go ahead and write your own program in your own way. Do some practice with everything that we have been teaching you. Thank you and God bless.